I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need a compatible phone and a live wallpaper file or app. Open Settings or Wallpapers now and choose Live or Motion. If using an app, install and grant permissions. If using a local file, place it in Photos or Gallery. Tap Add New, then select the live file or pick the app's preview. Once selected, set the cropping and duration controls so the motion looks natural. Make sure battery saver is off. Dynamic backgrounds can be blocked when battery modes are active. Now customize behavior. Open the live wallpaper editor or the app settings and adjust frame rate, loop style, and touch reactions. Use preview to test motion and alignment. Press and hold the lock or home screen to see actual behavior. Once done, fine-tune crop, scale, and start/stop triggers so the image fills 16:9 screens without jitter. If the app offers resolution options, pick the highest that won't exceed data or storage limits. Also verify low-power animation limits and disable only if comfortable. Apply the live wallpaper to home, lock, or both screens and confirm by exiting to the main screen. Wait for a few seconds to observe initial motion. If you used an app, set it to run at startup so the effect remains after reboots. Make sure brightness and battery settings allow animations. Troubleshooting tip: if motion is choppy, clear app cache, restart the phone, and switch to a lower resolution or frame rate. This usually resolves performance-related stutter. Also test with a simple static wallpaper to confirm the issue is animation-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.